Hey guys, Compact Chicken 2008 here from eBay. Today I am selling the USB power adapter for the iPod and the iPhone from Apple. It'll come in this case, and you'll get the USB cable, and you'll get the USB power adapter that plugs into the wall. And this isn't the older one, which has been recalled. This is the new updated one with the prongs that have a little bit of an angle on them so it can come out easy. And the other way you can tell that this is the after recall power adapter is because of the green dot on it. And you'll be receiving it like so. Compact Chicken 2008. And I have plenty of them. And it'll be shipped from Massachusetts, so you'll get it quick, and it won't be getting shipped from China or Hong Kong. So I expect it in 2 to 5 business days. Thank you.